We understand the issues you face. Business is getting faster, and IT has to keep pace and adapt just as quickly. At the same time, IT spendings are cut, especially during the economic downturn. Let us show you how you can easily build a highly adaptive infrastructure and cut your IT spending considerably at the same time. The first step is to consolidate your servers and virtualize the remaining ones. This way, you need less server for the same workload. The next step is pooling and virtualizing your network and primarily the storage, using an I/O virtualization layer. When it comes to applications, services and databases running on top of this pooled and virtualized infrastructure, things really need to become more dynamic to deal with the constantly changing hardware needs. The resource coordination layer allocates the hardware resources to the applications and services that require them and dynamically adapts the resources when needed. What is the easiest way to implement this dynamic infrastructure? Well, put it all into one box. Primergy bx900. The Dynamic Cube. The new Primergy bx900 is engineered and designed for dynamic infrastructures. It has all it takes. The Intel Xeon Processor 5500 series automatically and intelligently adjusts server performance according to your application needs. You'll get maximum performance when you need it, and gain big energy savings when you don't. Server blades pooled by design and full storage connection capabilities. Complete and versatile LAN and SAN switching capabilities. Processing server blades with enormous memory capacity. Full certification of all major hypervisors. High-speed midplane for effortless connectivity. ServerView Virtual I/O Manager and ServerView Resource Coordinator Virtual Edition for easy operation. Complete high availability and ServerView RCVE for dynamic resource allocation. Primergy bx900. The Dynamic Cube. What's one of the most expensive things in your data center? It's every single liter of air that needs to be ventilated, cooled down, and ventilated again. Our patented CoolSafe technology ensures that the Dynamic Cube inhales cooled air a lot more effective than any other system. We designed an extremely effective housing for passive cooling and added our highly efficient power supplies with over 90% power conversion efficiency. Our sophisticated dynamic power management system, ServerView, ensures that the server's components use only the energy they really need. All of this adds up to an advantage of 25% in energy savings over comparable systems. No system on the market is more energy and cooling efficient. Primergy bx900. The Dynamic Cube. If you want your data center working efficiently, you have to virtualize it intelligently. The Primergy bx900 is specifically designed for virtualization. The latest Intel virtualization technology allows you to double the throughput to your processors and increase the performance of your virtual machines. Our ServerView Virtual I/O Manager dynamically manages your internal switching inside the system, taking away all network complexity. Now you can make any changes in your server configuration without having to reconfigure your network. If you need to run mixed physical and virtual environments, you can do that easier than ever. The ServerView Resource Coordinator allows you to manage both your physical and virtual servers from a single management console. The Primergy bx900, with its broad virtualization support, will help you save costs and increase the performance of your data center. Primergy bx900. The Dynamic Cube. High availability can mean different things depending on the specific situation. With the Primergy bx900, you can handle all situations easily and efficiently. Because of its redundant design, every hardware component can have an active or passive failover, completely free of choice. Let's take a look at the software. Our ServerView Management Suite allows you to install, operate, analyze, and maintain your complete infrastructure. The ServerView Virtual I/O Manager and the ServerView Resource Coordinator allow you to automate the various high availability scenarios on both virtual and physical servers from a single console. Server View Resource Coordinator comes with traditional backup and restore functionality. It also allows you to configure any blade in your chassis as active failovers. The Server View Pre-Failure and Detection Analysis function will report the slightest irregularities to the system administrator. This allows you to replace individual components before they break down. If you run VMware in a virtualized environment, Server View sends the pre-failure information to your VMware software. vMotion will then automatically move all active applications from that server to another server and put the failing hardware into maintenance mode. Dynamize the availability of your data center. Primergy bx900, the dynamic cube. Scalability is one of the key factors in data center computing. How can you build a scalable IT infrastructure as big as necessary and as small as possible? The Primergy bx900 is ready for this challenge. Equipped with 18-blade server, 8 switch bays, 2 management blades, and up to 6 redundant power supplies in a 10-rack unit high design. You can build the most powerful system available today, taking up the smallest space ever. For more server power, you can interconnect and stack up to 4 Primergy bx900 and manage them easily as a single server system. That means no more complicated cabling or expensive management systems. Even your costs can be scaled down dynamically. Thanks to our intuitive financing offers, you will pay only for servers you actually use, but have enough capacity in your data center to cover those occasional peak loads. Never before was scalability in your data center so easy and budget-friendly, providing you a complete investment protection. Primergy bx900, the dynamic cube.